In this video, we'll be creating a small but essential component, the rivet. Rivets are used to securely join parts together. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. So let's start designing. Take the new design file. Make sure your units are in inches. Now invoke Create Sketch. Select front plane. Invoke line tool. From origin, draw a line of distance 4. Perpendicular line, angled line, vertical line, and horizontal line. Okay. Now we have closed sketch. We'll give dimensions. Here 3. Okay. And this angle 55 degree. Now we'll give diameter dimension because we are going to revolve. Give the diameter 5. Okay. Now from this line to this point, right click and take diameter dimension 9. Okay. We should give vertical constraint here. Invoke vertical constraint. Okay. Now the sketch is fully constrained. We'll go for revolve feature. Select revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Axis. Select this line. Okay. With rivet completed, we have now designed the last component of our 4-cylinder engine. In the next video, we'll move on to assembly, where we'll bring all parts together, explore the join, and see the engine in motion. Stay tuned. Thank you.